Welcome to this tutorial on linking a Cetopo site model to an existing Revit project. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your existing project aligns perfectly with your site model. Start by opening a new project in Revit. You can use the default architectural template or select a custom template based on your needs. Next, go to the Cetopo plugin in the top ribbon and select Import. Locate your Cetopo folder in your downloads, extract the zip folder, and select the .cxf file to import. Next, you'll then configure how to place the imported model. Ensure Configure Revit Project Location is enabled. This will set up the geographic coordinates, time zone, and elevation. Use the project base point specified below to set the site location and define the project base point and internal origin. Now, save your project. This ensures that your site model is now accurately geo-located with the project base point and internal origin correctly placed. Next, close your new Revit site project as you'll need to link it to your existing project file. Now open the existing Revit project that has not yet been set up using Cetopo. Back in Cetopo, reselect your project site. You can locate your project area selection as a .json file in the folder where you downloaded your Cetopo model. Drag and drop this file into Cetopo to reselect the exact area. Click the cog icon next to the DXF 2D template under CAD. Configure your download by disabling terrain, water, and forest features. Enable drawings. Select the flat 2D option for roads, buildings, and properties. In the Grids feature tab, make sure to select the correct coordinate system appropriate for your site location. Then, select Download. In Revit, go to the Insert tab and select Import CAD. Find and select your downloaded 2D DXF file. Choose Manual Center for positioning and set import units to meter. Place the file near your building project. Select the 2D reference file and use the Move and Rotate tools in the Modify tab to position and align it with your project. Once it's correctly placed, save your project. Now go to the Insert tab and select Link Revit. Find and select your saved Revit site model. Use Manual Center for positioning and place it near your building project. Select the linked Revit site model and use Move and Rotate to align it with your 2D reference file. Ensure it matches the orientation and position. Once the site model is correctly positioned, go to the Manage tab, click on Coordinates, and select Acquire Coordinates. Then click on your linked Revit site model. A prompt will appear confirming that the coordinates have been successfully acquired. In the Insert tab, go to Manage Links. Select the linked Revit site model and click Remove. Finally, in the Insert tab, select Link Revit and choose your Revit site model once more. This time, for positioning, select Auto by Shared Coordinates. And that's it. Your main project will align with the coordinate system of the linked Revit file, facilitating accurate work with both files. For future projects, we recommend using a 2D Cetopo drawing to set up your project and site location. This will allow you to seamlessly link and integrate Cetopo 3D models and data across projects.